How to open Halifax Bank account. So for that, open up your browser or Google, and then on the search bar, go and search for www.halifax.co.uk and open new account. Click on that, and then on the first search you will have open a bank account online. Click on that, and then it will take you to the website of Halifax. And if you scroll down, you will have bank accounts, unlimited reward current account, current account, or you can also open a joint account. And if you scroll down, you can also have youth and students account like Money Smart, Express Cash account, student current account. So choose any account that you would like. I'll be choosing a current account. And then under current account, scroll down, and then it will ask that ready to apply for a current account. So you have two options: apply as a new customer or I'm an existing customer. So if you are a new customer, click on a new customer. I'm a new customer, so I'll be clicking on apply as a new customer, and then scroll down, and then you will have an option which says ready to open a current account. Click on continue, and after that, use your mobile phone to continue. Click on continue. So let's get started. It is asking you that are you an existing Halifax customer? So no. Have you previously started an application and still need to provide us with proof of ID to complete it? No. And then is this going to be your main account? Then yes. And after that, scroll down and click on continue. And after that, it is saying that you are applying for an account with Halifax, and you should enter your first name as shown on your passport ID. So then your middle name, then last name, and then your gender and your title, Mr., Mrs., Doctor, or anything, and then your date of birth, your country of birth. And now here I have entered all of my information, and after that click on continue. And then it is asking for your postcode, your house or your flat number, so enter those. And after that click on continue, and then you will be ready to create your Halifax bank account. So that's it. That's how you open your Halifax bank account on online. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.